Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing an eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna be doing an eyeshadow look with this palette. It's the Juvia's Place, the Warrior 3 palette. Looks like that, and I'll show you what it looks on the inside. So we're gonna be doing a look on this palette. So pretty. The colors are pigmented and everything, so we're just gonna be doing a look on this palette. So I already did my eyebrows, and let's just get started with the video. Okay, first what we're gonna do is prime the eyelids. So I am going to get my concealer. I'm gonna get the 16-hour camo the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Light Peach, and I'm just gonna put this on the eyelids, and I am going to get this docolor brush number 13. It's I think a concealer brush. So I'm just gonna blend this out real quick. Okay, so now that we did that, I am just gonna put I'm not gonna set this because I want the eyeshadows to pop. The reason why we put concealer so we can have a clean base, because my eyelids are a little bit darker, so I want them to be I wanted my eyelids to be a little bit lighter, so the eyeshadows could pop a lot. So what we're gonna do is, actually we're gonna use two palettes. We're gonna use the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. I am actually gonna go in with this black color. I don't know how to say the shade name, so we're gonna go in with this black color. Let's see. Okay, so now that I got my brushes, I am just gonna go in with that black shade that I showed y'all. I'm gonna go in with this AOA Studios, I guess like a mini crease brush. It's in the number E124. I'm just gonna go into that black shade a little bit. Mirror. So what I'm gonna do is pack this black shade into the crease right here. We're just packing this on. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is here's the other brush I was gonna use. I was like, so now I'm gonna go on with this other AOA Studio, it's in the number E112. It's like a bigger, fluffier crease brush. So now we're gonna go in with that Juvia's Place Warrior Palette 3, this one. And we're gonna go in with this purple shade. I don't know how to pronounce the names. I don't wanna sound funny when I say them. So we're just gonna pack that purple shade right above where we can put that black shade up. We're just using a patting motion. We're gonna go from outer to in. Don't blend. Since I have smaller eyelids, I'm not gonna blend too much up, but just enough. Okay. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take this little small precision brush like this. I am going to take this red shade and this red shade right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this right above the purple. So now that we're done with that, I am just going to take this docolor brush. It is also a small precision brush. And now what I'm gonna do is take this orange shade so I can blend out that red shade a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that same brush and I am gonna go in with this yellow shade. Just take this other docolor duo brush and I'm just gonna take this fluffy, I don't know how to say it. I am just gonna take this other docolor brush. It's like an angled blending brush. Just gonna blend all these colors together. Like I'm blending the red and the orange and the yellow together. So now I'm gonna go back in with that brush that we used for the purple, just so the purple could pop a little bit more. Okay, we're almost done. So now what I'm gonna do is, where's that brush? Now I'm gonna get this little docolor brush, the small concealer brush, and I am just gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the shade light peach. And I am just gonna simply cut the crease. It's like putting it at the bottom of my eyelid, right where the lash line meets. Look up. Okay, so now it has like a line where I have direction now where to cut my crease at. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pack that purple shade again on the outer corner of my eye. So it won't give us a harsh line. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Luxie 246 precision crease brush. It's like this, and what I'm gonna do is go in with this blue shimmery shade right here. I'm just gonna spray a little setting spray on it. Wait, went the wrong way. I'm just gonna put this shade where we cut the crease out. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take this purple shade, blend, just pack it on a little bit right here. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and my face makeup, and I'll be back with you to finish the rest of the look. Okay, so I'm back. I'm done with the whole look. Done with the whole face look. So I just put on my face makeup. The colors I use for the bottom, my lower lash line, I put the red and the purple. I put the red right here and then the purple right here, like in the inner. Put the red at the outer and the purple on the inner, and I blend those two together. And I hope y'all like this video, and this is how the look came out. My baby hairs. So that's how the look came out, and I hope y'all enjoyed this week's video, and I hope y'all like and subscribe, and just thank you for watching, and look out for my next video. Bye.